All right, this is sloped pipe in Plant 3D. I concentrate on sloped pipe because it is by far the most difficult type of piping to model in any of these 3D applications. Now, the first thing to do, and I'm going to do a couple tutorials videos, but this is the first, and this is setting up UCSs. This is essential to work with sloped pipe. Let's look at this front here. What happens is, to edit these, to drag these pipes and make the connections, they have to be parallel to the XY plane. And you can see now that they're not. Let's go back here and take a look. Well, let's take this one, move this. Now, I'm not even going to show you what that does. Let's go down here though and just change this to set the XY to the view. And we'll try to drag this now. I'll go over here, connect to the end. Well, you can see what's going to happen. And it isn't going to do it. It won't let you do it. So let's back out of this. Now we're going to edit in the X plane, and this pipe sloped up, and I go by up is left to right. This slopes up, left to right. This slopes down. So I'm going to look at X sloped up. Go to the top. Take this around. Now we'll take this. Drag this down to connect. Bingo. I'll go in here and take a look at the wireframe. And these two pipes are still at the same level. This pipe was nothing more than a copy of this one. Get out of the... Right. We're still lined up. Connections are good. Now to create these, I use the 3-point, and I set it up so that the Z-axis is facing towards the front, so that would be the top. Now to save them, let me show you that real quick. To save, just right click, named UCS, and you save it. Now the thing is, this is drawing specific. So you don't have to do this over and over again. Over here in this other drawing, you can see that there are no user coordinate systems, but there's this handy little list called import UCS. I shortened it up to ICUS, UCS. You pick your drawing. That was drawing number 2. Open. And we go look, and we've got all of our slopes. If I were in charge, I would have that set up as a separate drawing file called user coordinate system sloped pipe or something like that. Put it on the network so it can be accessed by everybody. Anyway, that's step 1 in modeling sloped pipe. We'll have fun. One thing that I forgot to mention, if you don't like what you came up for names, you can go up here and open that up, and you can delete these or rename them and start over.